Yogurt.
Yes.
Black pepper. Paprika. Olive oil. Garlic powder. 5 spices. Turmeric powder for chicken shawarma.
Forever? Oh no, I'm so sad. Maybe your mommy is busy. You need to wait. Read some books first. Because you have already your iPad. How many times na? That's why you need to wait.
Laging pinag-iintay yan kanina pa.
Tingnan mo, hindi pa nakalahati ang araw eh. Paubos na.
Dagan mo ano ba? Ayan. Pinch of salt. Ay, si Marcos kasi.
Pwede naman, kunti lang.